Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download Netflix app on any laptop. Now to do that, just open Google Chrome. Now to visit the official Microsoft Store website, in the search bar, just search apps.microsoft.com. Now in the search bar, just search Netflix. From here, click on Netflix and select download. Now you can click on the folder icon to go to downloads. And also you can open the Files app, then click on Downloads. Now you can find the Netflix installer file on your laptop. Now just right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now if you face this error, it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. Now in the Microsoft Store, just click on Get. Now once the Netflix app is fully downloaded, just click on Open to open Netflix on your laptop. Now from here, you can click on Get Started and you can sign into or log into your Netflix account. Now, if you cannot find the Netflix app on your laptop, just click on the search box and search Netflix. And from here, you can find the Netflix app on your laptop. And from here, you can also pin the Netflix app to start, and you can also pin it to taskbar, just like that. And this is how you can download the Netflix app on any laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.